everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix any Chrome website sound not playing. So particularly now I'm in YouTube and I'm playing a video right now, and even the sound is max but I'm not hearing any sound. So in order to fix it, first I will click on these three dots, and after that I will scroll down and go to settings, and after that again scroll down and go to site settings, choose sound and turn it on, and do not add any site exception, because if you add any site exception the sound will not play on the particular website. So now I need to just go back again and play my video now, and now I can hear the video sound. So thank you everyone for watching a video.